What's up, Ewu crew? Today, in our Area 51 series, we've come to take you into the tunnel. The abandoned tunnel. Look at that thing. Check out this old tram line. The old train tracks, or cart tracks, but look how big these tracks are. These definitely look like it would be more of a train. Let's go check out the tunnel, guys. Dr. Pepper. Here we go, guys. Let's go check it out. Yeah. Does it look like those glasses are gone? They are. Let's check it out, guys. Those glasses are gone. Yeah, more clothes down there. It's freezing in here, guys. This here looks pretty solid, guys. Interesting, these train tracks just keep going and going. This would have been a massive work cart. And here's our first major collapse. Right here. Just looking back at the portal, guys. This mine isn't in too good a shape, so not sure I want to spend too much time in here. Yes. So they're in there. Got the little power switches and supplies. These rail cars just keep going and going, guys. Old shovel. This tunnel just goes on and on. Starting to get a little more wet down here. Oh, the old light. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm not going to talk too loud in here because you don't really want to give it any reason for any more collapsing. So, going to talk in a medium voice while we're in here. Let's continue on. Some stalactites, looks like. Up there. Alright. And this tunnel just goes and goes. And I wonder how far in this tunnel goes and where it ends. I Obviously, they must have something back here to have some tracks back here. Hopefully, it's not collapsed. Like a fairly new Budweiser. Mobile one grease. Probably use the grease up the train track or the ore cart. Oh, now this looks like we have a junction here. Getting pretty nasty. Check it out, guys. Looks like a little room back here. Let's go see. Like they blocked it off at one time. Let's see. Yeah, it continues on that way, but honestly don't know if I could squeeze through that. Check this out, guys. Look at this. I had some type of machinery right here. Old tool. Little stoked out area. Let's see. Anybody know what the date is on that thing there? Acetone. My boots make those noises. What the heck is that? This is like all chemicals and stuff. Old, used something. Oil. I think they stoked it out that way. There you go, stoke. Wow, look at that. That goes on for days. Let me shine a light up there. See if we can't see how far that goes. Yeah, that goes pretty far. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. You can see timber back there. All right, let's continue on. Look at this. Look at that little irrigation area right there. This is what you've seen, I think. Old pump switch. This is, whoa. This is massive right here. Look at that, guys. You can climb up or down for days. Watch out, it's kind of giving way right here. What was that? Gotta be careful. That goes straight down for days. This is pretty massive. Let's see. Look at that. You would not want to fall down there. Check it out, guys. This was to keep the door closed. Goes up there to the pulley. And over there to the door. Alright, let's continue on. Look at how deep red the water is, guys. That is gross. That reminds me of like that one horror movie, The Shining. Look how red that water is. That's the end of the line for us. Maybe I have to get some waders on and come back. Still light bulbs in there. Look. This one has a lock on it. Still bulbs in this thing. We can go that way still. There's looking back at the portal, guys. And now we're back this way. We're gonna have to head out because we have to come with waders. If you guys want us to come back here, let us know, because we will definitely need some waders to come back. Very, very cold in here. Alright, guys. Since the other way was blocked with water and we decided to climb through this little hole and take this one, let's go see where this one takes us. See, that's that room we were in, isn't it? Yeah, that's the other way to that room. We were just in. Another little room back here. Got this old Pepsi can, guys. Wonder what date this is. Some old clothes. Let's see what's in this room here. Ooh. There's a collapse right here. Well, look at that collapse. Like a giant drill hole through there. Check that out. Looks like it gets flooded. Red chemical cleaner, huh? All right. Old clipboard. Look at that. Another drill hole goes on for miles. Someone get stuck in here or something? Why are there glow sticks and old food? There's old glow sticks and old food. This is it. Oh, jeez. Rock like that would kill you. Careful, lots of caving in right here. Another drill hole. See how far that goes down. Use my other light to get drop a little rock in there. Yeah, guys, it just goes and goes. That's a collapse, huh? That's why they sealed it off. I don't think we're getting through there, guys. We'll have to go back and go the other way. Yeah, how big that drill hole is. I'll try to get, I should get a shot of it. This hole, guys, just goes for days. Yeah, perfect hole. Even echoes. Wow. All this stuff, guys. Fun. It's all over that paint. That paint right there. It's probably got tons of rock behind it. That thing gives. Alright guys, so we reached the end of the line on both ways. We reached the end of the line in both directions. So now we're gonna head on out. There we are, guys. Looking back at the portal. Long walk. Let's see how good this light works now. There we go. And the old lighting fixtures. Electrical wire running through here. Kind of talking quietly because I don't want to make too many echoes in a mine like this. Alright guys, if you want us to come back, just let us know in the comments below. We'll get some waders and we'll go through the water. Right now we got to try to get out of here.